a new board. We are so excited.
We're excited. This is from Upwell.
They shipped us a board to test out. We're super excited to try it out.
They're an up-and-coming group, and we're going to show you what we got in the box.
We haven't opened it yet.
Paddle.
If you're wondering where we're at our favorite location at Willow Beach.
Here's the pump.
Below the Hoover Dam.
Now this comes with a bunch of accessories right here.
Let's see what's in there.
Here's the strap.
It's a leash.
Strap. Here's a fin.
Oh, it's blue. Nice.
Oh, there's a waterproof bag. Love that. And a
Phone case.
for your phone, a waterproof case for your phone. And then two other smaller fins. So all three fins are detachable. Which, you know, years ago we used to think that was a bad thing, but I found that over time the ones that are attached, they bend as you roll it up. So that might be a good thing. Here's our bag. And
nice backpack.
Here's our board.
Sweet.
So let's get this sucker open and have you take a look at it. Okay, so here's the board. This is the Upwell 632C. Love the blue color and the orange accents. And yeah, this is pretty cool. It's got
some good straps.
Front and back. It's got straps, handles front and back. Loving that. Okay, so let's go over some of the features right away. I'm noticing you've got an attachment here for a camera, GoPro or whatever. You've got some side straps right here
for your
paddle. You want to put your paddle in. You can carry the board without having to carry your paddle. A lot of D-rings. You've got 4 of them here. So yeah, I think it's a pretty solid board. We're going to blow it up and show you what it looks like. All right, so standard pump attachment. Plenty of length on the hose. And you want to inflate this to 15 psi. I like that this has a thumb hold right on this, so you can use your thumb to twist it. That's a good thought. And then let's see what this pump feels like. Hang on.
It's a little squeaky.
A little squeaky. It's doing a job. Putting on your fins is pretty easy. You just slide through the groove. Make sure you're going the right way. I don't think it'd let you go the other way. And then these little clips go right in here to keep your fin in place. You've got the 2 small ones in the front.
I like that it's got all 3 removable.
All 3 removable. That means your board can really roll up flat, which is a good thing. And then your big one here in the back. They're really easy to put in. You just undo the clip when you're done and get them out. So now we're in solid, and they're pretty solid plastic. I love that. They seem like they'll be good fins.
How's the board feel?
Feels good. Feels pretty solid. Look at that beautiful
logo on the back. Upwell. It's got a bumper on the front. Did you see that?
And there you go.
Flip it back over. It's got a little bumper there in case you hit some rocks.
Beautiful. Okay, so the paddle comes in a couple of parts. It's got your standard pin fit on the bottom through the hole, and it'll click in when you're there, right there. And then the top is in. And then here you want to tighten this up just by turning the attachment a little bit. So you're tightening this,
The
little handle, so that when you snap it shut, it'll be a lot tighter. There we go. I know it's gonna be tight now. So I want to do that, and I want to snap it, and then there you go, really, really tight. So it's great solid paddle. And we're going to use their dry bag today, and because it matches the board. You got to match. It's all about matching, right? So
it's got a little strap in case you want to.
Yeah, you want to carry it and go somewhere.
There you go.
So I'm going to strap it in right here, so that I'm good there.
Probably take that off.
And then I'm going to put my paddle right on the side. Love this feature. So I don't have to worry about carrying my paddle as I go. Put that there. And this one here. And then away I go.
I don't think I'd carry it by that, but I think it just helps your hands to be free. So you
sure.
got the handle.
But now I've
Twist
got
it to your
free
side.
hand completely.
Woohoo!
Feels good. Solid board.
We're gonna go get on the water.
Okay, here we go.
We're heading out.
The launch, the christening moment. If we had a bottle of like
Champagne.
cider. Here we go. Okay, it feels solid. I like to do the bounce test. It feels pretty good. I like that. It has a pretty durable feel to it. So we're at a couple minutes in, probably 20 minutes, and I'm liking the ride. Loving the color, loving the touch of orange. Overall, great board. It's a good ride.
How's it feel?
Feels good. Taking these little bit of bumpy waves, all right. Paddle's nice and strong. I like it.
How heavy is the paddle?
It's probably average. It's not one of your more lightweights, but it's not an extra heavy one either.
All right, this board feels a little lighter than other boards we've been on, but it still feels solid and nice.
Okay, we're loving this board, Upwell. It's a great board, especially for the price. It's a good looking board. I love the look, love the colors. Stability looks good. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed. For a pretty affordable board, it's got a lot of good features. All right, it's been a good ride. I think it's kind of good to test these boards when it's windy. We had a good experience. It handled really well, and I'd say 2 thumbs up on the Upwell.
I'm trying to weigh this board, but it's
Roughly 27 pounds.
okay. One con of the bag is it's really small. We're having a hard time getting the zipper shut, and we tightened it up pretty good. I don't know how we could have deflated it anymore, and it's the length that's tough. I don't know if we need to fold the edges in a little bit next time. There we go. We got everything in there as if you're going to go on a hike up to a lake. All right. Okay, we're weighing it with everything inside the bag.
It's 33 pounds.
33 pounds.
With everything in the bag. Not too bad.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. All right, for this Upwell 632C, I was surprised at this thing.
Very surprised.
Yeah, I mean, it's a very affordable board, and yet it had a lot of features. It was durable. It had this feeling that it should be a lot more expensive than it is.
Yes, we were very surprised that it felt as sturdy as it did because it is such a great price.
The fins were solid, the paddle straps, there were a lot of extras like paddle straps, the extra D-ring, the GoPro attachment. They thought of everything, and they got it in an affordable price range.
We really loved it.